Greetings, everyone. For this session of our module, we will be performing a healing meditation. This healing meditation is derived from the book Sharing the Light by Jeffrey Hudson. This healing meditation utilizes Christian symbolism, but anyone of any faith may be able to utilize the same meditation. You may just replace the terms, for example, the Christ, with other terms or other religious affiliations, for example, the Buddha or the Lord Krishna. This healing meditation is designed to restore the harmonious flow of the divine life through one's whole nature. Let us begin our healing meditation. Everybody, sit up straight, feet flat on the floor, close your eyes, and just relax. I want you all to inhale deeply. And as you inhale, visualize peace entering your body. And as you exhale, let all stress and tension flow away from your body. Feel your entire physical body relax, relax, relax. Now, slowly, I want you to be aware of your physical body. Scan your physical body from your head to your toes. Notice any areas of stress or tension. Notice also that as you become aware, these areas of stress or tension tend to naturally relax. Simply be aware. Now, slowly, I want you to be aware of your emotions. Notice any strong or violent emotion within your emotional body. Do not judge or label these emotions. Simply be aware. Notice that as you become aware, these emotions tend to naturally settle down. Now, gently, I want you to be aware of your thoughts. Notice the thoughts that are coming in and out of your mind. Again, do not judge or label these thoughts. Simply be aware. Notice that as you become aware, these thoughts tend to naturally settle down. Simply be aware. Now, with our bodies relaxed, our emotions harmonized, and our minds clear and focused, let us now center our awareness upon the spiritual soul or higher triad. Let us visualize the divine life as being everywhere present and as filling the upper air with its radiant and golden glow. One may reach towards it with all the power of one's thought and will, aspiring ardently to be at one with it. Let us dwell in thought upon God as the source of all power and life. Seek to realize one's presence and to lose oneself therein. One may think of oneself as a chalice into which the divine life is poured. And as one aspires to at one ment with God, the cup will increase in size, grower and growing ever higher into the inner worlds, where dwells the healing life. Think of the divine life in all its golden splendor, as pouring down upon into oneself in a torrent of vital force, filling the cup to overflowing and flooding his nature with power. After dwelling for a time in silent realization, this power may be directed outwards through the heart to heal the sorrows of the world. At this point, if we wish to help someone in need of healing, we may visualize the patient as perfectly well, radiantly happy, and as shining with the light and the power of the Lord Christ. We may direct the healing energy to the patient, lifting him in union with the Christ. Then we can recite the following healing prayer. May the healing power of the Lord Christ descend upon, state the full name of the patient, and may the angels encompass him. Let us now remain still, holding the prayer thought steadily and visualizing the patient as in the Christ's presence and surrounded by a group of shining angels. Now, slowly, let us refocus our awareness upon the soul or higher self. Let us strive to maintain an awareness of our own higher nature as we go about our activities of daily living. Now, slowly, let us once again be aware of our thoughts, letting the light of the soul illumine our minds. Now, gently, I want you to be aware of your emotions, letting the love of the soul fill our emotional bodies. Now, slowly, let us once again be aware of our physical body, letting the energies of the spiritual will revitalize and re-energize our physical body. Now, slowly, let us be aware of the sounds all around us, of the weight of your body against the chair, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you, everyone.